They were lining up for the boys' 1600 meter. It's dumping snow here at Timpview High School. These guys are crazy. They actually canceled the meet after this. There's Aiden, Elijah, I don't know all the Timpview guys, and Abraham's behind over there. All right, step back from the line. There we go, now they're ready. Here we go, guys. Here we go. It's the beginning of the 1600 meter race. There we come, we're at 103 right now. There. Uh-oh, Elijah's in the back. Come on, buddy. Come on, Elijah, Aiden, let's do this. Let's go. Elijah was hoping for 6 minutes. He was a second off his pace. Okay, here this finishing second lap. These are the leaders. They're right at 2:30. That's 5-minute mile pace. Come on, Abraham! Push it, Abraham! Go catch him! Go catch him! Come on, Elijah! You're off your pace. You're off your pace. Look at all the snow, man. Big flurry. Come on, Abraham. Push it. 1 lap, buddy. Let's do it. 4:10. Timpview's doing good. All right, Elijah! Keep it up. 1 more lap. 4:53 split. Aiden, that's the top runner. This guy's gonna be just over 5 minutes, right? 5:13. Come on, Aiden! Let's do it, Aiden! Aiden's got snow on his eyebrows. Come on, Abraham! 5:30 for Abraham. There's Elijah.
I'm so cold, Dad.
6:25, right there. There's everybody cheering. Aiden is way back there. Aiden. Come on, Aiden! That's it, 7:22. Aiden's walking off the track. Going straight home.